We are pleased to show you the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear view camera, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.